Hi everybody, welcome to Cooking with Tita right here in my kitchen. Today I like to share my thumbprint cookie recipe. So come on, cook with Tita. First, I'm gonna show you how to shift your 3.5 cups of flour. Now if you don't have a shifter like me, sifter, all you have to do is mix it with your whisk if you have whisk. Okay, and if you are not using salted butter, you have to put 1/4 teaspoon of salt. Okay, so that's that. The purpose of this thing is you don't want any lump or any debris in your flour. By the way, like I always say, I'm using unbleached flour. Okay, and then like I said, 3.5 cups of all-purpose flour, 3 sticks of salted butter, room temperature, that is room temperature. Everything here it's room temperature. Okay, 2 teaspoons of vanilla, 1 cup of white sugar. I have 2 cups coconut flakes, sweetened. It's better, but if you don't have unsweetened also will do. 1 room temperature egg. To that, later on I'm gonna show you how to do it. This is 1 tablespoon of water for your egg. Okay, this is apricot, and this is grapes, and this is either I use strawberry instead of cherry. Okay, all of this either preserve or jam. Okay, that's the thing. All right, so let's start. First and foremost, we're gonna cream the 3 sticks of butter and also the sugar. So put the sugar in there, put it down, and we're gonna do this just enough to mix the ingredient in there. Now if you don't have mixer, you can do this with a handheld one, or whatever you have to do to mix the ingredient. You don't have to have a fancy equipment. So here you go, this is how it looks, like that. Okay, now to that we're gonna put our 2 teaspoons of vanilla. Okay, mix it a little, just a couple turn, see, like that. Now with this thing running slow, okay, just go ahead and put it just running like that. Oops, I think that's too, like that. Just put a little bit at a time so it won't splatter, like that, like so. Okay, like that. Okay, we're gonna mix this just until the flour come together. Okay, okay, see, I'm gonna script this thing like that right here on the side, so like that. Okay, say like that. It's almost coming together. It doesn't take much. Okay, so let me show it to you. Okay, see this? Okay, it's like that. Okay, they're just don't over mix it. Okay, we're gonna take this out. Okay, now when your flour come together like that, take it out. Oh, I forgot to tell you that you need one Ziploc, or you can use saran wrap to hold your thing together. I washed my hand already. Be sure your hand is clean. You take him out there and put him in a Ziploc. Put everything here. Okay. Okay, after we put everything in here, just kind of close this thing and be sure there's no air in here. Okay, so we're gonna go like this, right? Put them together like that. Okay, And then put them in the refrigerator for 30 minutes. It has to be chilled while you're working with the dough when you're ready to make your cookies. So when you guys ready to bake your cookies, this is what we have to do. With your oven preheating, we have to prepare our egg wash. And with your 1 egg, put 1 tablespoon of water. And then let's whisk it. Okay, just like that. Okay, put them aside. This is our dough that been in the refrigerator for 30 minutes. Okay, so what I do so that the dough won't dry, I just take this much. Okay, I just take that much, and I would put this aside like that. And so I would get just, let me see, the dough would look like that. Don't fret, that's normal. Okay, so about a golf size of you know, of the dough, like this. Okay, so what I do, let me show you. Okay, I do that, right? And I would have tablespoon measuring. So you can also do this with your thumb, like that. But to me, it's like, well, that's fine and dandy, but I don't like that. Okay, but originally that's what they do. It's kind of cracky in the side. I don't know, you can do that too if you want. Okay, so turn it into a bowl like that. All right, okay, now you dunk it over here on your egg wash. Okay, like that, just enough to get it wet. And then roll it into the coconut. You see the reason why I don't put a lot of coconut flakes in my bowl, because I might not use everything in there and I have to throw it away. So if you're only doing 1 batch of cookies, just put 1 cup at a time so that your coconut won't get wasted. You see what I'm saying? Because the egg. Okay, so now we're gonna push this down, you know, like this, just enough to dent, like that. Okay, or maybe a little more, just like kinda dent the, like that. You see that? You see that? Perfect. Okay, and then I would scoop up this just enough to cover. So now let's put it over here. Okay, we're gonna continue doing, fill this up like this with 1 filling, and then the next one you're gonna do a different one. So let's do that. Okay, so I'm gonna show you how long you need to bake your cookie, okay, or cookies. All right, okay, in a little while. All right, guys, let's take the last of the cookie out. All right, okay. All right, after cooking this for 25 minutes or until your coconut it's golden. Okay, so this is how it looks like. Then after it gets cooled off, you can go ahead and transfer it into your cookie holder or pastry holder. And I hope you guys enjoy my recipe. This is really delicious and easy to do. So until I cook again right here in my kitchen, like I always say, bon appetit and God bless. Bye.